We got the first game of the day out of 4 games. Hey, we actually did all the games yesterday. Bucks versus Magic should be a pretty decent one. The Bucks coming off the Giannis 54-point L against the Pacers, who went crazy. The Magic have been very solid this season. This has potential to be a decent game. I mean, the Bucks should win it and have to win it, you know. So, but it still might be a good game. So let's see, man. Let me know what good matchups are today. Like I said, there's only 4 games, so I'm definitely gonna react to all of them. So we'll see who plays and what it is. But okay, Bankero. And Carroll, in Orlando with it. Hey, oh, Joe Ingles versus Old Squad. If I'm not mistaken, there's no Lillard again in this one. Okay.
In that Magic uniform, Joe Ingles, the 36-year-old veteran.
Honest.
Yes. With that finger roll left hand. 3-point shot in and out. Rebounded by Connaughton. Magic only took 3 threes in the quarter.
Out away with the left. Okay. Great transition. Home. Been super solid this season. This whole Magic squad has been, decent. Really have.
Right where he left off. Played some center 5 position
Honest.
in that 4th quarter. Pat Connaughton. That's a good shot over the outstretched arm of Jonathan. 2 for 15 coming in. Ingles using the screen from Mo Wagner, who rolls to the basket, and Ingles threads the needle right back. Chris Middleton back. Giannis now defended by Paolo.
Honest.
Fadeaway shot.
8. And they down 8 though. If they lose to the Magic, bro. I don't know. The Bucks look.
Jalen with a beautiful left-handed drive. Reset. Orlando gets it back.
Bronze pull up. Oh, gotta get out there, man. Damn. Damn. The Bucks' defense is atrocious, bro. Their defense is atrocious out there, man.
Lopez, and it's no good. Had to go a little higher. Lopez right there. Hot early, still hot. That's going to be huge. Tiebreaker, so you're going to see teams keep the pedal to the metal.
Yeah, Suggs.
Suggs for 3. Giannis were both there. Giannis right up the back of Paolo Banchero. 15. Spin move by Banchero, picked up by Giannis. Now takes it up to the rim, missed the shot, got it back and puts it in. Ingles. Paolo Banchero.
The defense is trash, bro. What is that defense, bro? Giannis can't guard pick and roll, like I hate to say it. He's one of the best defenders, but like it's just like he's like a basketball defender, like makes crazy defensive plays and shit, but like guarding one-on-one the pause, like
matched up against Giannis. And there's the attack by Adetokounmpo and the foul on Batadze. 18-point lead.
They are big, bro. This is crazy.
That's easy picking.
Damn.
For Franz Wagner. Payne gets
Really
the screen.
look easy out there.
Black stays with him, but Payne makes a nice move. For the Magic. Black penetrates in, gives to Suggs, 3-point shot. Suggs, nothing but net. With the ball to start the second half and a 16-point lead. Franz Wagner, the fake pass and banks it in. Middleton, see if he can get it going.
Bucks look rough, bro.
Is a difficult shot.
I mean, Middleton ain't doing a damn thing.
In
Not
that
gonna lie.
first half, they started with a quick 3 and have really done a better job taking care of the basketball.
This
Only
is
1 turnover
crazy,
in the
man.
second quarter.
I can't believe the Bucks are this bad. I did not expect this whatsoever, bro.
Over the top of
Damn.
And give a game here tonight, so it's a terrific day on behalf of the Orlando Magic, the Retired Players Association.
There you go, Middleton.
Great
Not to
time
do that.
catching former players, just a great event offered by the Retired Players Association.
And y'all play defense, bro? What is going on? What the fuck? Oh my goodness. Holy shit.
Giannis puts screen.
Y'all still getting fucking spanked. He's scoring all the points, bro. No one else can do a damn thing. But Franz is fucking them up.
Excellent job. Giannis crashing in to Batadze. score. The pass
He's doing it by himself, bro.
Beauchamp with it.
I gotta take him out.
Jalen Suggs
The
to
better go.
Anthony. Good look
Magic
for
better
three.
go on a run.
Missed it short. Tapped out to Paolo.
Good.
Free ball on its way. Good again. Slide. Handed
It's
it
a
to AJ Green.
20-point game,
Broken up.
bro.
Bucks get it back. AJ Green, who just checked in, fires a pass on the baseline, and Beauchamp work.
I gotta put my nasties in there.
AJ
This
Green,
thing so bad.
three-point shooter. Got it. Cross court to Anthony. Anthony shoots it down low to Isaac.
Defense.
Shot
G.
blocked, got it back, blocked again. 4 seconds left.
5 minutes. The Bucks will call it a night.
Bucks looking to get off to a good start in the fourth quarter and bring it to Paolo Banchero.
They gotta go on a run right
Massa
now.
starting him. Banchero
How is Franz so open, bro?
Franz Wagner.
Why is Franz wide open? I don't understand, bro.
But Giannis is on the attack. Another big night, yep. So the young man will be 21 years old tomorrow. Paolo Banchero. Middleton knocks 14.
Although will be 21 tomorrow, he's younger than me, though. What?
Spinning it in on Adenico.
What?
Here's a
What?
three by Mo Wagner. That is a big shot.
Caden
What?
to the corner. His brother flashes in right behind him and then right back to Mo in that corner.
Bobby Portis answers for the
It's
Bucks.
over, bro.
Setting a screen. Livingston defending.
Feels
Paolo.
over, I mean. Who is number
Jumper
7?
Up and in. Challenged by Livingston. Very aggressive defense by the Bucks. Jonathan Isaac for three.
Holy shit, the Bucks are trash. I can't believe this.
Open man. J.I. was that guy.
Portis with the answer.
No defense. I'm out of here, bro. This is embarrassing.
Jamal Mosley, Adrian Griffin.